Mrs. Heavy Chevy here again, and this is a little update on my bird. I've added a worm to his mouth. I'm working on feathers. Got the support brace. I'm going to try to hide with some feathers. I added a little plate thing here on his breast to add a little weight and even weight distribution. And a few more feathers were put on the tail, and I think it's getting pretty level. Just want to try to disguise that support brace a little bit more and see what else needs done. I think he's turning out pretty good though. I mean, unique. Appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.